Okay guys, these are ingredients for our sangria today. So we have a green apple, we have 2 oranges, 1 lemon, I have red grapes, I have orange juice, triple sec, brandy, red wine, and you could use whichever red wine you like and prefer. I have a pitcher, you could use a pitcher or container, and I have 4 tablespoons of sugar. Okay, now we are going to go over to the stove. Here in this pot, I'm gonna go ahead and pour a little bit of my red wine, and my fire is on medium low. Just a little bit. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add my 4 tablespoons of sugar. You could add more sugar or less sugar, it's your choice. Okay, this is how you start making the recipe your own. And we're gonna let this simmer down and put it to the side until the sugar melts. Now I'm cutting my grapes in half and my oranges in quarter. Again, you could cut your fruits however you like. I'm cutting my apple in bite size and juicing my lemon. So here I am going to mix my lemon juice with my fruit, especially so my apples don't turn brown on me. So you want to make sure you mix that lemon juice evenly. So we're gonna pour it and mix it. Okay. Make sure those apples are covered with that lemon juice. So here we got the pitcher. I cut up, I think, a little bit too much fruit. You could cut up less, okay? It's your choice. And also I had eventually switched out the container and put it in a bigger container. So here I am pouring my bottle of wine. I'm telling you guys, this sangria is very delicious. Here is the mixture of the wine with the sugar. Now I'm gonna go ahead and measure my orange juice, and if you have fresh orange juice, even better. So here I'm measuring out 1 cup of orange juice. Again, you could add or take away, guys, of whatever ingredients you want the most of or less of, or just do it just how I did it. It's up to you. So here I'm at measuring 1 cup of the triple sec. Okay, and here I had 3/4 of a cup left for the brandy, and that's what I use. And again, you could add more or less. So we're just gonna go ahead and mix this together really good, and we put this in the fridge at least for a day, guys. And if you could leave it there maybe for 2 days, it's even better. All right, so your sangria is pretty much done. Now I'm gonna show you how it tastes. Okay guys, so what time is this? The moment of truth. It's Friday night, February 5th. So I decided to make this sangria today. Tomorrow's my birthday. So I'm celebrating a little bit. So let's taste the sangria. Here you go, guys. Look at all those fruit we added. My orange. And let's go ahead and toast. Salud, salud. It is good, and I also cook a seafood paella, and that recipe is for this Sunday coming up. Today is gonna be the sangria. It's delicious. I'm gonna have a great time today. And guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press that like button, and thank you again for the support. All right, see you again on Sunday. Till next time, bye.